Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Alexander. I'm a content creator and today we're gonna be learning how to rotate your video and make it vertical. The question is, why would you need a vertical video? Well, now today in 2021 and mostly since the smartphones came along, usually now every content is consumed in vertical. So if you want to create like a TikTok, if you want to make like a reel, which is on Instagram, or specifically you want to make an advert, anything that basically requires to be seen on a screen, and usually people watch it on vertical. If you guys want to know how to do this, stay around and we're gonna learn that in a few seconds. To be able to rotate your video, you need to use a video editor. So myself, what I'm gonna be using, it's a Premiere Pro, but you can use any other software, possibly like After Effects, Camtasia I think it's called. You can use Final Cut Pro. Down below you're gonna be able to find some softwares that you can use to edit this video. Okay, without any further ado, we're gonna proceed to edit on Premiere Pro. Okay guys, we are now here on this screen. We just need to make a project, vertical video, and we open up a new project. Now what we need to do is create a new sequence. So to do this, you just click on the small little page, and then what I have here, it's already a preset that I've created via 25 FPS. To be able to create this preset, all you need to do is to go to settings, and then in editing mode you're going to leave it as a DSLR. Time base is going to be 25 frames per second, and then in frame size we're going to leave it in 1080p, and then 1080p is the resolution, but we're going to leave it in the horizontal 1080, and then vertical is going to be 1920. Then here in pixel aspect ratio we're going to leave it in square pixels, fields, no fields, progressive scan, and then display format 25 frames per second, maximum rendering quality, yes, and then we just click OK. After you created the sequence, all you need to do is to import your vertical footage to the software. Now that you have imported your footage to the software, is to drag it onto the timeline. After you drag the footage onto the timeline, is to click keep existing settings. So you keep the settings that you already set for this file, because this file was actually shot in 4K, but we want it in 1080p resolution. We don't want it bigger, just in case if we need to zoom out or zoom in, we're not going to lose any resolution. Now we can see the footage here that it's all zoomed in. It's just because, as I said, the previous quality it's 4K and now we have 1080p. We need to click onto the footage, and then we go to effect controls, and then here where it says rotation, all we need to put is -90. Okay, now we can see that the footage is still zoomed in. What we need to do now, after we rotated it 90 degrees, instead of having it 100% of scale, what we're gonna do is put it at 50. Okay, after you've done that, all you need to do now is just play your video and see that all it looks good and it's actually vertical. Okay guys, that's how you make a video vertical after you shot it vertically. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss any more tips like this. And also stay tuned because soon I'm gonna upload of how to export vertical video. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.